Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks lost ground on day one of the annual summit in Jackson Hole. The Nasdaq closed down 1.7%. The S&P 500 and Russell each lost close to 1%. The Dow shed 0.4%. Only three sectors in the S&P 500 gained. The leaders, real estate and financials, each rose around 0.5%. Technology closed down more than 2%. Consumer discretionary lost almost 2%. Turning to some stocks on the move, shares of ROST stores climbed after hours following a beat on its top and bottom line. The retailer logged a 7% gain in year-over-year revenue. As for its outlook, ROST stores projected comp sales will grow 2 to 3%. Notoriously cautious, the chain says it will, quote, maintain a cautious approach to forecasting sales as low to moderate income shoppers face spending pressure. Meantime, shares of Advance Auto Parts skidded after a disappointing earnings report. CEO Shane O'Kelly said the company navigated, quote, a challenging demand environment during the second quarter, end quote. Advance Auto Parts slashed its fiscal 2024 outlook and announced the sale of its Worldpac subsidiary for $1.5 billion. Shares closed at the lowest point since October of last year. Meantime, two pandemic darlings rallied on earnings. Peloton gained some 35% after reporting an increase in its subscription revenue despite a double-digit drop in paid app subscriptions. In a letter to shareholders, the company cast some doubt about its future, citing unlikely subscriber growth in fiscal 2025 and the company's continued search for a new CEO. Also to the upside, Zoom Video. The company saw strength in enterprise customer growth and a decrease in monthly churn. Zoom CEO credits higher-end packages that utilize advanced AI features for retaining some of its marquee customers. Shares of Zoom closed at its highest point since March. This Friday, we'll have a couple of closely watched events to close out the week. At 10 a.m. Eastern, the latest new home sales data and, of course, the highly anticipated speech from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.